Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are looking at a 2017 certified pre-owned GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black interior, panorama roof. Coming around back here, we've got a trailer hitch. Power lift gate, all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, and alongside here got a burl walnut trim, memory seats, heated seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with blind spot assist, Bluetooth capabilities, steering wheel controls, pile shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got a backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, a command center. This vehicle only has 35,385 miles. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.